Good morning, fifth graders. So yesterday we started talking about fractions, and fractions, as we know, are parts of a whole. So fractions are broke into equal-sized pieces. In a fraction, you have a top part and a bottom part. The bottom part of the fraction is called a denominator. A denominator is how many equally sized pieces you are given. The top part of a fraction is called a numerator. A numerator is how many pieces that we are going to look at. How many pieces you're going to take into consideration out of all the pieces that you're given. So let's move on to our first word problem. Our problem is Nate and Caleb ate some pizza. Nate ate 3/8 of the pizza and Caleb ate 2/4 of the pizza. How many eighths of the pizza did they eat total? So let's do this two different ways. Let's start off by using our area model. And we're going to use our fraction circles, and this is going to represent our entire pizza. As you can see, 4 parts that are 1/4 equal 1 whole pizza. Here we have 8. And we do this because 3/8. So let's look at the 8. We have 8 pieces that are all the same. 8 pieces that are equal to 1/8. So Nate ate 3/8 of the pizza. So let's take out 3/8 and put them onto our pizza because this is what he ate. Caleb ate 2/4. So we have 4 pieces size 1/4 that equal 1 whole pizza. But Caleb only ate 2/4. So 1/4 and 2/4. And we're going to put it onto our pizza. So now we're able to add, but we have a problem. We have to have the same denominator, and we have 2/4 and 3/8, which isn't the same denominator. Our question asks us how many eighths of the pizza did they eat total. So let's cover each of the 1/4 with 2 1/8. Now that we have the same denominator, let's add up all of the sides of the pizza they ate total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that means they ate 7 out of 8 pieces, which is our total, 7/8. And now let's try it one other way. Let's use our linear model and let's use fraction tiles. So 1 whole is the blue. We can see that 4 1/4 are the same amount as 1 blue. We can also see that 8 1/8 equal 1 whole, which equals the blue. And again, we do this because of our denominator. We have 3/8, so we have to have 8 equal pieces of 1/8, and we have 2/4, which is 2 equal pieces of 1/4. So Nate ate 3/8. Let's take 3/8 from our fraction tiles and move them up to our full blue whole. So that's 3/8. Caleb ate 2/4. So let's take 2 1/4 and add it to our whole. Perfect. Now we have to go back to our problem. Again, we have to understand that it says how many eighths of the pizza did they eat total. So we know we have to cover up each of our 1/4 with fraction 1/8 tiles. So we'll cover each one up with 2. And now we have no more yellow showing, so we know we can count them all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we know that 7/8 is how many pieces of pizza they ate total. That means that there's only 1 piece left. And you have to remember, guys, when you're doing this, you have to have an equal denominator. A lot of kids get messed up and get the wrong problems because they don't have the same denominator. You cannot add fractions if they are not the same number at the bottom. All right, let's get started on our next worksheet.